Hello everyone. It is my great pleasure to attend the 45th anniversary of US-China Diplomatic Relations Forum and Banquet, hosted by the Flying Tigers friendly organizations. It is such a delight to gather in the beautiful city of Italy, President Nixon's hometown, with friends who are dedicated to carrying on the spirit of Flying Tigers and the friendship between the Chinese and American people. More than 8 decades ago, a group of young American volunteers, led by General Sherman, crossed the Pacific and established the Flying Tigers of American Volunteer Group. They fought alongside with the Chinese people and resisted the aggression of the Japanese fascists in unity. From the China-Myanmar border to the southwestern China, from Himalayas to the Yangtze River, the Flying Tigers soared above the sky like eagles and shot down over 2,600 fighter jets of Japanese invaders. The Chinese people were grateful for their contributions and spent efforts to rescue and protect the Flying Tigers. Hundreds of Flying Tigers were rescued for that thousands of Chinese soldiers and civilians sacrificed. This is a glorious and honorable chapter returned by the people of our two great nations with flesh and blood in defending world peace and justice. In the 1970s, with extraordinary political courage and strategic vision, the older generation of Chinese and American leaders made the historic decision to reopen the door of exchange between our two countries.